Hi, everyone, this is Wayne. Welcome back. Today I've got a couple of b.tan products I wanted to talk to you about. The darkest tan possible. I mean, that's what we all want, I guess. And then Love at First Tan. It's got a violet base and it says it blocks out the orange tones. So, I don't know. I've got my arms here. I put darkest tan possible on my right arm. It says, yeah, you may be able to see the difference there. So let's put a shot of this Love at First Tan on the other arm, just for kicks. Got my applicator mitt. Now, like I said, this is a 1 hour tan, but it generally will start making a difference right away. I don't know if you can see any difference or not, but it's good stuff, b.tan. We've been using it in our family for a long time. And this is the first time we've used this, but this darkest tan possible, it was time to go for it. This is the thing to use. And you don't get the yellow, really obvious fake tan look with them. And that's what I like the most. So anyway, get you some b.tan products. You'll be glad. Bye now.